Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a video premiere on YouTube. So if you want to set up a premiere on YouTube, so basically when your video goes live with your audience, you can interact with them in real time as the video is playing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon on the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and then select YouTube Studio. And now select the Content tab on the left side. Again, assuming the video has already been uploaded, so it doesn't really matter if it has or hasn't, you can still set it through the upload process as well. But let's say it's currently in our draft or unlisted or it's private, already been uploaded to our channel. So you want to go ahead and locate the video on the Video tab. Go ahead and left click on the thumbnail preview. And then on the right side where it says visibility, click on the drop down and you can select schedule. At this point, make sure set as premiere is check marked in there, and then you can schedule it to be set out whenever you want. You can also set it to be published in real time. So if you select public in here, you can select set as an instant premiere if you'd rather not schedule it out. So a couple of different ways on how to do it, and then you would select done, and then you would select save to save the change, and then the video would premiere live on your channel. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.